Many people want to open Google Chrome settings but don't know where to find it. This video will show you the easiest way to open Chrome settings in just a few steps. It works on both computer and laptop and takes only a few seconds. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Chrome and go to the top right here and click on these three dots and go down to settings. There are many options here and features that you can use. For example, in the You and Google, you can sync between your Google account and Chrome account. You can also manage your Google account here, and also you can customize your Chrome profile. For example, if you want to change the color that's going to be appearing on top here, you can choose. If we picked, for example, pink, you can see here turn into pink. If we have chosen here purple, you can see here turn into purple. You can also change your profile. For example, you can pick an avatar here, maybe this one or this one. There are many other features that you can use. Here you can save passwords or maybe addresses here. Also appearance. Here the language. You can change the language that's gonna be used on Chrome here. Also you can find downloads here and also extensions. You're gonna find extensions here if you would like to enable or disable them, or even remove them if you would like to. This is how you can open Chrome settings. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.